In this video I'm going to explain how match betting helps fund my full-time travel. I'm Alex and I'm coming to you from Morocco today. And welcome to the VLD Nomads, the channel where we test online income methods to tell you what works and what went wrong with the things that don't. Make sure you watch this video to the end where I'll share with you 5 tips how to increase your efficiency and earn more from your match betting. I want to address something quickly before I get into the main content of the video. Because I've seen a few videos of people saying that match betting isn't a guaranteed way to make money, it's not risk-free. Well, I 100% guarantee you it is. The only way that you can, it's mathematically impossible for it not to work. The only way you can lose money with it is if you personally make a mistake. So it's your responsibility, like life, you know. But that's another video. If you follow the instructions 100%, you cannot lose money, and you will make money. I'm in my 4th year of traveling full time, and I'm not trying to make out that match betting has fully financially supported me through those 4 years, because it hasn't. But it certainly got me started, and certainly gives me an extra bit of cash if I need a little boost sometimes. All that's required to match bet is a laptop or a tablet, phone, internet connection, a UK address, and 10 quid to get you started. It can be done from anywhere in the world at any time. But you will need a VPN if you're not in the UK. So what is match betting and how does it work? Well, match betting is a proven way to turn bookmaker promotions into a guaranteed profit. If you are a little bit concerned about match betting because you don't know exactly how it works and you really want to know exactly how it works, well, let me just say that you don't need to know exactly how your computer works to be able to use all its features and benefit from them. So I'm not going to get deep into the maths on it. We use odds matching software to place bets on both sides of an outcome. So for example, £10 on Chelsea to win and £10 on Chelsea to lose. Well, in fact, the losing bet we use an exchange, and it'd be £10 on Chelsea not to win. So that covers the scenario of a draw. And then once that match is played out, you usually end up with maybe losing like a couple of pennies or so. But then you receive the free bet of 10, 20, 40, 50 pound, which is your profit. So why choose this as an online income method? Well, anyone can do it. It's a really low barrier to entry, like 10 quid to get started. And you can earn good money. My first month, I earned just under £1,000, and that's tax-free £1,000. Working around about 2 hours per day. And these are typical results, you know. However, to earn that much, you do need to be organised and have a few hundred quid to get started as well. I think I started with about 400 or 500 quid maybe. And the reason for that is just because you're using lots of different bookies, and you end up waiting for the withdrawals to come out so you can use that money in the next bookie, you know. But if you don't have that sort of money to get started, it's okay. You start with your 10 quid and, you know, build up to it in a month or so. When I first started match betting, Profit Accumulator, the website that I've always used, didn't have as much functionality as it does now. So I used a spreadsheet to keep track of where all my money was. But now there's a thing called Profit Tracker on the website, which is really helpful to keep a track of where all your money is, what your balances are, and staying organised like that will increase your efficiency and earn you more money. Now, the amount of money you get out of this obviously is determined by the amount of time you put into it, and the easiest way to decide on that really is on the Profit Accumulator website. There is a forum, and in the forum there's my 2 favourite threads. One is £300 per month part-time, and the other one is £1,000 per month full-time. And you can just follow those threads. They're updated every day, and the admin post links to the offers that will get you to £300 for the month doing stuff part-time, or £1,000 a month if you want to do it full-time. Sen. Stop it. And a side note, I saw an article the other day that a nurse made 30 grand part-time doing match betting, and she bought herself a car and paid for her nursing and stuff. If you've heard enough and you're ready to get going with match betting, there's a link in the description to Profit Accumulator, which is the website that I use and have always used. They have a free trial where you can earn up to £45. But if you want to hear more, then I'll keep talking. Now, a question I get often is, can match betting support full-time travel? Yes, it can. However, personally, I feel to earn £1,000 per month is it's a little too much effort compared to doing the £300 per month part-time. There just seems to be a bit of a like exponential growth in effort for some reason. But if you couple the £300 per month part-time with bonus accumulator casino offers, which there's a video link here too, then for sure it will support your full-time travelling and it's not so tedious. Doing them both together in that way is less tedious and you get enough income and enough free time to enjoy travelling full-time. It's not going to make you rich, but it will give you the time to work on maybe an online career that you want to work on as you're travelling, you know. So I said that if you make it to the end of the video, I'll give you 5 tips to help you boost your efficiency and make more money from match betting. Tip number 1, get a separate email address, just because you're going to get a lot of offers from lots of different bookies, and it just keeps it all separate, nice and organised and out of the way. Tip number 2, you're probably going to get asked for ID a few times as you're signing up to some bookies, so I keep my ID on Dropbox and it's just quickly, it's there. Also, signing up to many bookmakers, you're going to have lots of usernames and passwords. So LastPass, use LastPass. Makes it quick, easy, simple, don't forget your passwords and stuff like that. My mum needs that. Mum, LastPass. If you're doing this from outside the UK, you'll need a VPN. I did try doing this for a while with a free VPN and it was intermittent and actually got me banned from some bookies. And then I changed to NordVPN and I pay for it. I thought it was $10 a month, but I think it might be $5. I don't know. It's not expensive. For, you know, you're using this to earn. It's a tool for your business. Invest £10 a month. Stop it. Stop. Last tip, nobody listens to me about this, I don't know why. Top cashback. Use it, please use it. Yes, I'm an affiliate for it and I do get money for you signing up to it, but I guarantee you 100% will be glad you did. So that's all I'm going to say on it anymore. I don't need to tell you anything else about it. Top cashback. Install the browser plugin. So we've been through a lot. Quick recap. Match betting is good for earning money in a guaranteed manner, but it can be a little bit tedious. But if you just do it a little bit on the side and not full time every day, it's good and it does the job. Or if you're a maniac and just go flat out at it, you can earn thousands and thousands and pay for your nurse degree and a car. Comment below and let us know if you're going to try this out. Also, is there anything else you want us to test out? I've got a big list of online income methods that I am going to test out, but is there anything specific you'd like to suggest for us, and we'll do our best. I say us, there is someone else involved in this channel, but you haven't met them yet. And it's not a dog. Do you want to be on the channel? If you're looking to find out more about making money online and being a digital nomad, please do find the link in the description to our Facebook group.